Right, so let's count. Let's have a look how many fingers each person's got on each hand. So the first person, we've got 5 fingers there, so that's 5. Then we're doing another jump of 5, so that's 5, 10. Remember, when you've got representations like this, you can write the number underneath so you don't forget how many fingers you are on. Another 5, 15, 5, 20, another 5, 25, another 5, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Have a look now, how many hands do we have? So then how many jumps of 5 do we need to do? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I do 1 jump of 5, that's 5. Add 5 is 10. Add 5 is 15. Remember, if you forget, just write number 5 underneath, then number 10, all the way so you don't get lost and you forget where you were. Have a think about this one. Write your answer down. Have a go at counting these. Alright. Every time you see some, pause them. How many 5s are there? And now pause. How many there? Now we're going to count backwards. So we've got all of these, so we know that all of those add up to 50, and we're counting backwards in 5. We've got 100 square, that's fantastic. If not, you can just start at 50 and count backwards in 5. So we've got 50 altogether. So we're taking away 1, so we've counted back in 5. 49, 48, 47, 46, 45. Take another 5. 40. Take away another 5, 35. Take away another 5, 30. 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0.